Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Y on your Android device. We'll cover everything from the essential software you'll need to the ideal device specifications for a smooth experience. You'll learn how to properly install and configure your emulator, and then load your game file. By the end, you'll be fully prepared to embark on your Pokémon journey, catching and battling your way through the Kalos region, all from the convenience of your phone or tablet. First, you'll need two crucial components: a Nintendo 3DS emulator and the Pokémon Y game file itself. For the emulator, Citra is a highly recommended option, offering excellent compatibility and performance on many Android devices. Make sure to download the official version from a trusted source. Next, you'll need the Pokémon Y game file, commonly referred to as a ROM. Ensure this file is in a format that your chosen emulator can read, typically a 3DS or CCI file type. Before diving in, let's prepare your Android device. For optimal performance, your phone or tablet should have at least 4 GB of RAM. A powerful processor, such as a Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 series or equivalent, will provide the smoothest gameplay experience. You'll also need sufficient internal storage, typically around 2 GB for the emulator and game file combined. Once your device meets these requirements, proceed to install the Citra emulator application you downloaded earlier. With the emulator installed, it's time to load your game and start playing. Open the Citra application on your Android device. You'll then need to locate and select the folder where you saved your Pokémon Y game file. Once found, simply tap on the game file to load it into the emulator. Take a moment to adjust the on-screen controls or connect a Bluetooth controller for a more comfortable experience. Now, you're all set to explore the Kalos region and become a Pokémon master.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.